In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete a payment method on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete a payment method, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to see your account name. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see your profile over here. Also, you'll be able to find this option for account settings. Click on it. Now you'll be able to access your account settings. You'll be able to find the options like activity, messages and account over here. Make sure account option is selected. Now over here you'll be able to find the options for person info, payment information, account preferences, etc. Under the section for payment information, you'll be able to find this option for payments. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the payments interface. If you've added any cards and accounts over here, it will be displayed over here. What you have to do is simply find the payment method that you would like to remove. After you do that, what you have to do is find the option for remove or delete next to the specific payment method you want to delete. After you find the options for remove or delete, simply click on it and your payment method will be deleted. So that is how you delete a payment method on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.